Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Faith and I make videos. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I apologize for my previous video, this one right here. I did not talk because I was sick. That's why I didn't talk throughout the whole video, so I apologize for that. And if you haven't watched it, I'll leave the link down below, so make sure you go and check it out before you check out this. Oh no, check this out, then you go and check that out, yeah. But welcome back, and it's the end of the year, so I was like, I might as well just drop one final video for 2019, you know what I'm saying? So today we are about to do African collection, my African outfits collections. I'm gonna show you what I have and how I style them. So let's get into the video. Thank you guys for watching. I had fun making the video. I hope that you will enjoy the video. So don't forget to, leave the comment down below which is your favorite, because I'm just curious. I just want to know what outfit you liked. So with that being said, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I will leave them, on the link down below. So without further ado, we are out.